When you buy a sporty Mini Cooper S or a Peugeot hot hatch, you expect the ultimate driving experience. It is supposed to be a fun, agile go-kart for the road. Under the hood of millions of these cars sits the infamous 1.6-liter Prince engine. This was a massive joint venture between two automotive giants, BMW and Peugeot. You would think that combining German precision with French motorsport heritage would create an engineering masterpiece. Instead, they designed a ticking time bomb that literally sounds like a broken diesel tractor. The fatal flaw of the Prince engine lies in one of its smallest and cheapest components, the timing chain tensioner. To keep the heavy steel timing chain tight and perfectly synchronized, the tensioner relies on a combination of a small internal spring and the engine's oil pressure. And this is where the disaster begins. These engines are notorious for burning oil at an alarming rate. If your oil level drops even slightly, the tensioner loses its hydraulic pressure. When you start the car cold, the weak spring inside the tensioner completely fails to hold the chain tight. The heavy steel timing chain is left completely loose. Instead of spinning smoothly, it violently whips around inside the engine block like a metal snake. It aggressively slaps against the brittle plastic chain guides. This creates a horrific, loud metallic clattering sound that terrified mechanics officially called the death rattle. If you start your sporty little Mini Cooper and it sounds like a farming tractor from the 1980s, the clock is ticking. You are driving on borrowed time. As the loose chain continues to violently whip around, it eventually shatters the plastic guides into pieces. The plastic debris falls directly into the oil pan, blocking the oil pump and starving the engine of lubrication. But the real catastrophe happens at the top of the engine. The loose chain skips a tooth on the camshaft gear. The engine timing is completely lost. In a fraction of a second, the pistons smash violently upward into the open valves, bending them and instantly destroying the engine from the inside out. What should have been a fun track day car turns into a massive, multi-thousand-dollar piece of driveway art. All because two massive automotive corporations failed to design a basic tensioner. Have you ever heard the death rattle in real life? Let me know your horror stories in the comments and do not forget to subscribe to Overdrive Engineering.